Goril Gandhi is the organizing secretary, and we're working together for over 13 years now. And she will give vote of thanks. And then I invite Rahul and Sulba to be ready with the felicitations, so we are on time. And the Mylan awardees should get their presentations ready because we'll be following that immediately.
Respected dignitaries on the dais, distinguished guests, friends, and colleagues. Before the inauguration ceremony closes, it is my privilege and honor to thank the many individuals and organizations who have helped make this Congress a reality. International travel today is not easy. The high level of security has made it a very difficult experience. But we have 13 international faculties from 10 different countries present today with us. A very special and most heartfelt word of thanks is due to Professor Zaid Kilani, Dr. Amos Baer, and each and every one of them for being here with us today and for their participation. I thank all our speakers, Dr. Kedar Patte and the entire national faculty who have taken out time from their very busy schedules through their own conviction to share their knowledge and work with us. I would like to extend our deepest appreciation to our friends in the industry, our sponsors. The partnership of industry and the medical fraternity has enhanced our resources and raised the standards of our conferences, and is indeed an excellent example of how this collaboration can be used for the betterment of medical science. So thank you, Emcure Pharmaceuticals, Mylan Pharmaceuticals, and Inca Life Sciences for your generous support. We also thank MSD Organon, Alchem Zurich, Sanofi Pharmaceuticals, Bayer Zydus Pharma, Sun Spectra, SPC Senuvox, BSVL Aspire, and Cryotech India. We remain grateful to our very capable and strong support teams, Mr. Masurkar, our audiovisual expert, Nazneen and Vinith from Spice Events, DJ Osh, our DJ and sound specialist, Divyesh and Chandresh, our photo and videographers, Yamini, graphic designer, Hemal, printer, Subhash and Kirit, our F&B managers. All these people have been with us throughout our long history of annual conferences and have always made invaluable contribution towards making our conferences a grand success. Thank you all. We extend most sincere thanks to Mr. Vikram Antau, General Manager of Radisson Blu, and the entire team. They have worked very hard to make this a grand and successful event, and will ensure that your stay on this beautiful property is as comfortable and enjoyable as possible. Well, an event like this cannot happen overnight. The wheels start rolling months ago. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very motivated and dedicated colleagues of Rotunda. I would like to thank everyone back home for their willingness to take on the completion of tasks beyond their comfort zones. I specifically wish to put on record our sincere appreciation for Dr. Sulba Arora, who has worked very hard for months to make this conference a success. Finally, I thank all the delegates for taking the time and trouble in being with us this evening on this very special occasion. The success of the conference depends on your participation as you spend the next 3 days with us. We are indeed thankful to all of you who have demonstrated your commitment to take the ART field to greater heights in this country. Thank you all. Rahul will now announce the appreciation awards.